So discussion topic number 8 on page 47. Make a comparison of the benefits obtainable from practicing the attention to disgust section and the 9 charnel grounds section. Okay, see what's the difference between the two, because both are also about asubha, right? Both are also about disgust and about impurity. So what's the difference? What are the different benefits that you can get? Or are they the same? I want you also to distinguish the 9 types of corpses. 9 types of corpses to be found in the 9 charnel ground section, because they are not properly enumerated. Yeah, you see a lot of dot, and so you don't know where it stops and where it begins. So I want you to go and figure it out. Okay? Yes.
After a long discussion, we come to this conclusion. First, about the 9 channel. One is bloated corpse.
Can you please tell us the page number, the paragraph, and the line number?
Page 38. First, the bloated corpse. Second, devoured by crow, vulture, maggot, dogs, and so on.
40.
The skeleton with flesh, blood, held together with sinew. Skeleton without flesh, smeared with blood, held together with sinew. Bones scattered in all directions.
Hey, you missed out one.
Skeleton without flesh, blood held together with sinew.
And then number 6.
Number 6, bone scattered in all directions.
Okay.
Number 7, bones white, similar with the color of shells.
Page. Okay, page 44. Then number 8.
Number 8, bone hips more than a year old.
Okay.
Then number 9, bones rotten and powdery.
Okay. Sadhu. Alright, can you continue with the discussion topic? Make a comparison of the benefits obtainable from practicing the attention to disgust section and the 9 charnel ground section.
The benefit of disgust section, first, it may reduce ego, and to reduce attachment to our body. The same benefit, you go to both sides. To overcome lust. And 4, develop more compassion for others. This one also apply to both sides. 5, reduce attachment to loved one. Then acceptance of impermanence, impertinent, anicca. Since the body is subject to decay.
That is for the charnel ground one or for the 32 parts? For disgust or for charnel grounds? The one about impermanence. The charnel ground, decay one. Okay. Okay, anyone else want to add or comment on what our brother here has said? Basically, I think that they have similar benefits, except that the second one, the charnel ground ones, the 9 corpses gives an additional benefit of a sense of urgency, right? Yeah, actually, it's like combination of subha and maranasati. Yeah, it's like a combination of looking at things in terms of loathsomeness, as well as recollecting the imminence of death, right? Since you actually compare yourself to the body and say that you will eventually become like that. So there's a combination of looking at things in terms of loathsomeness and reminding yourself of death. According to the commentaries, the third, this not only the commentaries, according to another sutta somewhere else, it says that this charnel ground contemplation also helps to reduce conceit regarding oneself, particularly if you have some physical beauty. People who are physically beautiful, well-proportioned body tend to be a bit proud of their own beauty. So when you contemplate on the imminence of death and that you will eventually turn out to be like a bloated corpse and disintegrate into the elements, then that could also reduce your self-conceit, your vanity. Right? And also, Sister Judy this morning shared about how contemplation on the 31 parts of the body could also help to bring down vanity for one's own physical beauty.